Hi, I'm Miss Ashley from the Anderson Branch Library. Today we will be doing a penny boat experiment. We've partnered with the Greater Cincinnati STEM Collaborative on this project that you can do at home. For our penny boat experiment, our challenge is to construct a boat from foil that can hold as many pennies as possible. And to do this, you will need a square of foil that is between 4 by 4 inches and 12 by 12 inches. Mine is roughly 10 by 10 inches and is not a perfect square. Next, you will need a shallow bin, and I used a disposable baking tray, but you can use any shallow dish or bowl that you have at home so long as your boat fits. You will also need a jug or a pitcher of water to fill your makeshift lake. And then finally, we need our cargo. I'm going to use pennies for our penny boat experiment, but if you don't have pennies at home, you can use either pebbles or even some dried beans or popcorn from your kitchen. So to make our foil boats, we are going to take our foil square and shape it by folding and molding it. You can create your own boat design or use a picture of a real boat to get your idea. I made mine into the shape of a canoe. Next, you are going to fill your lake with your water. And while you are doing that, go ahead and make a prediction either in your head or on a separate piece of paper and try to take a guess on how many pennies your foil boat will hold before it sinks. Once you've filled your lake with your water, go ahead and place your foil boat on it and hopefully it floats. If it sinks, go ahead and try another design. Next, we're going to take our penny cargo and we are going to place those in our boat 1 penny at a time until your boat sinks. But make sure you only do it one at a time because we need to know what its sinking point was. So some things to think about are how would your result change if your boat was bigger or smaller or in a different shape? This activity looked at buoyancy and water displacement. See what else you can learn about them. Goodbye, thanks for watching.
This video was produced in partnership with the Greater Cincinnati STEM Collaborative. For more STEM activities, visit greatercincystem.org.